Good morning. You are now traveling to Kodaikanal. Yesterday we seen 2 waterfalls and even fish bites me on my leg. That was really cool and that was very fun. And I saw a sheep and a horse. Brown horse with a long ponytail. There are many flowers, orange, yellow, red, pink and mixed with red and orange. There is also 2 cats. I did the campfire and a barbecue and I have lived in a cottage, tent house, tree house and I did lie down for some time and I do stretching and exercise. Thank you.